Hello. Welcome to the library. Can I help you today?
Hello. Yes, I want a library card.
Great. First, I need some information. I am Liam. What is your name?
My name is Anya.
Hello, Anya. To give you a card, I need to ask some simple questions. We will use the verb to do today.
To do? Okay.
Yes, for simple questions with I, you, we, and they, we use do. For example, do you live here?
Do I live here? Yes, I live here.
Perfect. Now let's practice with you. I will ask you, you answer. Ready?
Ready.
Do you live in this city?
Yes, I live in this city.
Good. Let's try another one. Do you speak English well?
No, I do not speak English well. I am a beginner.
That is okay. We are practicing. Say it again. Do you speak English well?
Do I speak English well? No, I do not speak English well.
Excellent. Let's use where. We say, where do you live?
Where do I live? I live on Elm Street.
Good. Now you ask me. Ask me where I live. Use do.
Where do you live, Liam?
I live near the park. Very good question, Anya. You used do correctly. Let's practice 5 more questions using do about you. I ask, you answer. Do you work?
I do not work. I study.
Do you like books?
Yes, I do like books very much.
Do you read a lot of English books now?
No, I do not read many English books now, only easy ones.
Do you want to learn English fast?
Yes, I do want to learn English fast.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, I do have a pen. Here.
Thank you. Now you ask me the same 5 questions. Remember to use do.
Okay. Do you work?
Yes, I do work here.
Do you like books?
I do like books. I work in a library.
Do you read many English books now?
Yes, I do read many English books.
Do you want to learn English fast?
Yes, I do want to learn English fast.
Do you have a pen?
I do have many pens. This is very good, Anya. You use do for I and you correctly in questions. Let's repeat the structure. Question structure. Do plus subject plus base verb.
Do plus subject plus base verb.
Example, do you read magazines?
Do I read magazines? Yes, I do read magazines.
Your turn. Make a question about music. Start with do.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I do listen to music. Now I ask you, do you listen to pop music?
I do not listen to pop music. I listen to classical music.
Good answer. Let's practice the negative. The short negative is don't. I don't read novels.
I don't read novels.
You say, do you read novels? Answer, no, I don't.
Do you read novels? No, I don't.
Perfect. Let's move to the next part. We need to ask about other people. He, she, or it. This is different. Anya, now we talk about other people. Him, her, or things. We cannot use do anymore. We use does.
Does, not do?
Correct. For he, she, it, we use does in questions. Look, does he live here?
Does he live here?
Yes, and in statements, the verb gets an S. Listen carefully. He lives here. She works near here.
So does for questions and S for answers?
Exactly. That is the main rule for the third person singular. Let's practice questions first. Does your friend speak English?
Does my friend speak English? Yes, my friend speaks English.
Wonderful, Anya. You used does and you added the S to speak. Speaks. Very good. Let's drill this structure. I will ask about she. You answer using the S on the verb. Does she like coffee?
She likes coffee.
Does he study math?
He studies math. Remember the ES for verbs ending in Y preceded by a consonant.
Perfect. Now you ask me about a man. Let's call him Tom. Ask if Tom wants a library card. Start with does.
Does Tom want a library card?
Yes, Tom wants a library card. Good question. you used does correctly. Let's make 10 more questions about Tom using does. You ask me.
Does Tom read novels?
Yes, Tom reads novels.
Does Tom work near here?
No, Tom works far away.
Does Tom live in this city?
Tom lives in this city.
Does Tom study English?
Tom studies English, yes.
Does Tom like the rain?
Tom likes the rain.
Does Tom go to the cinema often?
Tom goes to the cinema often. Note the ES ending for go.
Does Tom eat vegetables?
Tom eats vegetables.
Does Tom call his mother every day?
Tom calls his mother every day.
Does Tom play football?
Tom plays football on Saturdays.
Does Tom drive a car?
Tom drives a car. Excellent practice, Anya. You are asking with does perfectly, and your answers use the S ending. Let's focus only on the statement now. I give you the question using does. You give me the answer with the S. Does the bus arrive late?
The bus arrives late.
Does the library open at 9?
The library opens at 9.
Does the sun shine today?
The sun shines today.
Does the computer work well?
The computer works well.
Now, let's look at the negative statement. When we use does in the question, the main verb in the negative answer goes back to the base form, no S. Does Maria walk to work? Answer, no, she does not walk.
No, she does not walk.
Does the teacher speak loudly? Answer, no, he does not speak loudly.
No, he does not speak loudly.
Practice the negative again. Does your dog sleep much?
No, my dog does not sleep much.
Does your brother like pizza?
No, my brother does not like pizza.
You are doing very well with does in questions and the S in positive answers and the lack of S in negative answers. Let's review the full cycle for one verb, to watch. Question, do/does. Do you watch TV? Does he watch TV? Positive answer with an S. Yes, I watch TV. Yes, he watches TV. Negative answer, no S. No, I do not watch TV. No, he does not watch TV.
This is long. Do for me, does for him or her, and S only on positive answers for him or her.
Yes, let's check your understanding with many repetitions. I say the person, you make the question. You. Ask about reading.
Do you read newspapers?
Yes, I do. Now, Anya, you answer my question. Do you read newspapers?
Yes, I do read newspapers.
Him, Mark, ask about reading.
Does Mark read newspapers?
Yes, he does. Now you answer my question. Does Mark read newspapers?
Yes, Mark reads newspapers.
We ask about reading.
Do we read newspapers?
Yes, we do. Now you answer my question. Do we read newspapers?
Yes, we do read newspapers.
She, Sarah, ask about reading.
Does Sarah read newspapers?
Yes, she does. Now you answer my question. Does Sarah read newspapers?
Yes, Sarah reads newspapers.
They ask about reading.
Do they read newspapers?
Yes, they do. Now you answer my question. Do they read newspapers?
Yes, they read newspapers.
It, the machine, ask about reading. This is a little strange, but good for grammar.
Does the machine read newspapers?
No, it does not. Now you answer my question. Does the machine read newspapers?
No, the machine does not read newspapers.
Fantastic work, Anya. This constant repetition builds the structure in your memory. We will continue practicing this in context. We are getting a library card, so we need information for the application. We need to talk about your family now. This helps us practice does and the S ending many times.
Okay, family.
I will ask about your mother. Remember, your mother is she, so we use does. Does your mother live with you?
Yes, she lives with me.
Good, you added the S. Does she work near here?
No, she does not work near here. She works at the hospital.
Perfect contrast. Negative, does not work. Positive, works. Let's repeat that sentence structure 3 times.
Does she work near here? No, she does not work near here. Does she work near here? No, she does not work near here. Does she work near here? No, she does not work near here.
Excellent pacing. Now your father. He is he. Does your father like sports?
Yes, he likes sports very much. He plays golf.
Does he play golf often?
He plays golf every Sunday.
You ask me now, Anya. Ask about your father's hobby. Start with does.
Does my father like reading books?
Your father likes reading books. Yes, he does. Now you ask me about your brother. Let's assume you have one brother, Mark.
Okay. Does Mark have a job?
Yes, Mark has a job. Note that have changes to has for he, she, it.
Has, not haves?
Very sharp observation, Anya. For have, the third person singular is special. It becomes has, not haves. So, he has a car. She has 2 cats. Let's practice has 3 times. I ask about Mark, you answer with has. Does Mark have a car?
Mark has a car.
Does Mark have a sister?
Mark has a sister. That's you.
Does Mark have a dog?
Mark has a dog.
Good. Now you ask me if Mark has a sister. Remember to use does.
Does Mark have a sister?
Yes, he does have a sister. Let's go back to the regular verbs with the S. Ask me if your mother teaches English.
Does my mother teach English?
No, she does not teach English. She teaches history. Now I ask you about your brother Mark again. Focus on the S in your answer. Does Mark walk to his job?
Yes, Mark walks to his job.
Repeat that answer louder. Mark walks to his job.
Mark walks to his job.
Repeat that answer 5 times, focusing only on the S sound at the end.
Mark walks. Mark walks. Mark walks. Mark walks. Mark walks.
Excellent control of the sound. Now, let's ask about you again to contrast do and does. Do you walk to work/study?
I do not walk. I take the bus.
Does your mother walk to her work?
Yes, she walks to her work.
Do you call your mother every day?
I call my mother every day.
Does your father call your mother every day?
Yes, he calls her every day.
Let's practice the negative again. Does your brother like pizza? Answer, no, he does not like pizza.
No, he does not like pizza.
Contrast time. Say the he answer, then the you answer. Does he visit the library?
He visits the library.
Do you visit the library?
I visit the library.
Does she eat breakfast?
She eats breakfast.
Do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast.
You have mastered the difference between do/do not and does/does not. The final key is remembering that does absorbs the S in the question, so the main verb stays clean.
Anya, we are almost finished with the registration. We will do one final long review session to make sure that do, does, and S rules are solid before we print your card. I will use the verb to study. I will say the subject, and you must give the full question and the full positive answer. Subject, you. Verb, study.
Do you study English? Yes, I study English.
Subject, he. Tom. Verb, study.
Does Tom study English? Yes, Tom studies English.
Subject, we. Verb, study.
Do we study English? Yes, we study English.
Subject, she. Maria. Verb, study.
Does Maria study English? Yes, Maria studies English.
Subject, they. Verb, study.
Do they study English? Yes, they study English.
Subject, it. The class. Verb, study.
Does the class study English? Yes, the class studies English.
Wonderful. Now let's change the verb to clean. I will ask the question and you give the full negative answer. Remember, no S in the negative answer. Subject, you. Verb, clean. Do you clean your house every day?
No, I do not clean my house every day.
Subject, he. Mark. Verb, clean. Does Mark clean his room every day?
No, he does not clean his room every day.
Subject, we. Verb, clean. Do we clean the library every day?
No, we do not clean the library every day.
Subject, she. Sarah. Verb, clean. Does Sarah clean the windows every day?
No, she does not clean the windows every day.
Subject, they. Verb, clean. Do they clean the park every day?
No, they do not clean the park every day.
Subject, it. The machine. Verb, clean. Does the machine clean the floor?
No, it does not clean the floor.
That was perfect. You correctly used do not and does not, and you kept the main verb in its base form. Now let's talk about your future plans using the simple present for habits. I will give you a simple statement about your plan. You must turn it into a question starting with do or does. You plan to visit London next year. Say the question to confirm this plan.
Do I plan to visit London next year?
Yes, you do. Now ask me about my plan to teach French next year.
Do you teach French next year?
Yes, I do teach French next year. Your sister plans to buy a new book. Ask me about this using does.
Does my sister buy a new book?
Yes, she buys a new book. Watch that S. My friend plans to eat rice tonight. Ask me about this using does.
Does your friend eat rice tonight?
Yes, he eats rice tonight. We plan to open a new section tomorrow. Ask me about this using do.
Do we plan to open a new section tomorrow?
Yes, we do. The printer plans to work faster tomorrow. Ask me about this using does.
Does the printer work faster tomorrow?
Yes, the printer works faster tomorrow. We have covered a lot of ground, Anya. The main takeaway is, when you see he, she, or it, you must remember the S on the verb in positive sentences, and you must use does instead of do to start the question. Let's do 5 rapid-fire checks. I say the subject and verb, you say the full, correct, positive sentence. She, to bake cakes.
She bakes cakes.
You, to drink tea.
I drink tea.
He, to watch the news.
He watches the news.
We, to help people.
We help people.
It, to move slowly.
It moves slowly.
Fantastic, Anya. Your pronunciation of the final S sound is much clearer now. You are ready for your card. Here you are. This is your library card.
Thank you so much, Liam. I do understand do and does much better now.
You are very welcome. Keep practicing. And remember, if you have questions next time, do you ask me?
Yes, I do ask you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Anya.